How to create levels in Revit 2025. Go to Elevation, East Elevation, select your levels, then go to Create Similar, or press CS to create similar. After that, go Project Browser, go to Properties, then select the scope box. Let's make it a grid and levels, and here it is. Let's make it a 3 meter and also a 3 meter and another a 3 meter, and here is our levels. You can rename it by click it on the name it whatever you want. Go to Project Browser, and on floor plans it's not available. Then go to View, go to Create, go Plan Views, then Floor Plan, then select your floors or your levels, then press OK, and there they are, like level 3, level 4 and level 5.